Hi, very good morning and namaste to all. I am Biju Sebastian, inviting you for a pranayam and energy healing session today. If you do this, you can have that energy-filled day throughout the day. Thank you for joining me and enjoy the session. Let us start with sit in a comfortable meditation posture. You can keep your hands like this on your knees, relax and take deep breath and start chanting Om for 3 times. Take deep breath and chant Om 3 times. Start. Om. Again. Om. Again. Om. Now, any of your favorite mantra you can chant. Om Trayambakam Yajamake Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityo Mukshiyamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamake Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityo Mukshiyamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamake Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityo Mukshiyamamrita. Now we are going for body relaxation exercise. Rub your hands like this. Just be free like. Be with normal breathing. Yeah. Now we are going for clapping therapy. 15 times we will clap with pressure. And at the end of the day, this one, end of the clapping, this both the palms should be red. Okay. Start. 1. Now here. 1 sec. Here on this place. Here, no? One second. Yes. like this. Show you this, then we can go for that. Yeah, here. Clapping 15 times, then here on this part 15 times. 1, 2, 3. Now on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now here on the finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now on the fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 13, 14, 15. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here they go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we are going for rubbing therapy. Clapping is over. Now we are going for rubbing therapy. See. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay. Now see, all like this, and without little pressure we need to give, like massaging. Okay. This is called rubbing therapy. 3 times you can do. This is equivalent to full body massage. We are giving massage to our entire body, all the body. Yes. All the relax, 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 relax. Now rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. 7 times clockwise. Now reverse. And do everything with ease, so there won't be any pressure on your body parts. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enjoy the process. Okay. Now rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now one most important thing, most interesting thing. Okay. Now stretch up. Relax. Again. Stretch to the maximum. Feeling relaxed? Again. Yes. Now, see the position, keeping like this, and stretch down, stretch downwards. Yeah. Now, yeah. Wow. How do you feel? Relaxed? Yes. Upper part, entire part is relaxed. Now what we can do? Feet fingers. Feet, both the feet fingers you hold like this, okay? on the edge of this, like, and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise 6 times. All the fingers. Starting from thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anti-clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, index finger. 6 times, okay? Clockwise and 6 times anti-clockwise. And third finger, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now fourth finger, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now last finger, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now each finger do like this. Each fingers do like this. Let those fingers be free. Those are our joints. I'll show you some. Be free and do like this. And massage your feet. Both the feet, upper side. And side of this one, side of the feet also you can do that. So entire body be activated. Means we gave that exercise to entire body parts. Yes. Now, if we bought something like this, acupressure something, you can do like this. And if you don't have this, you can go for pen notes. Okay. Now I'll show you something. This is Sujok chart. Can you see this? And each finger corresponding to our each entire body in our palm, entire body is coming. Here thumb is representing the face, and the behind thumb this part. This part is this part. And see all the internal organs. All the internal organs are coming here. See, when we are clapping, we are giving energy. We are giving that exercise to all the internal parts. See here. This is our leg. This is our leg. This is also leg, and these are both are hands. And here comes entire body system. And backside of this one, backside of our hand, here comes our spine. See, spine. And here comes kidneys. So when we are clapping, we are activating the entire system. If you keep this finger, this thumb like this can be the exact body of our, starting from the thumb, exact body will be here. So when we are clapping, when we are rubbing, and all these exercises are giving full exercise to your body, internal and external part of your body. And these both are your hands like this, both hands, and these both are your legs. and all this, see the joints here. All the joints are corresponding to our legs and hands joints only. And this is your face, both eyes, and here comes your nose, mouth, and here comes your thyroid and neck part. Okay, and behind this part is coming like this. And here works the acupressure, acupuncture, sujo, color therapy. All these therapies are working on this basics. Body is there in our hands and body is there in our feet. When we walk and all, we are getting maximum benefit to our internal organs. Okay. Now let us move ahead with the other part. Yeah, we have done this. Now we are going to the next level. Kapalbhati kare, sneezing 21 times through your nose, just to cleanse your nostrils. See, I'm exhaling through nose forcefully, so that the nasal part will be clear. Right? Start 7 times clockwise, 7 times anti-clockwise, and likewise 21 times. Yes, relax now. Now lion pose, Vyagrasana. One sec. This is Kada, herbal tea, herbal mix. Now for lion pose, stretch your hands like this and imagine you are collecting all the oxygen inside your lungs and inhaling through your mouth. Okay. And you will exhale through your nose forcefully. See. Lungs burna hai, then we will forcefully release that air. Okay, now again, मैं तुम्हें खा जाऊंगा ऐसे. We became lion also, we became Bruce Lee also. Okay, now Shitali Pranayam, this is to keep our body cool. Even if you are in desert also, through this the pranayam, you can keep at least your body hydrated at least for 3-4 hours. See, you should roll your tongue like this and inhale through your tongue and eat that oxygen, taste that oxygen. It will create saliva in your mouth. See. Yes, taste is there, no? Now again. Taste of oxygen is taste of life. Again. Yeah. Now inhale through teeth and exhale through nose. Inhale through teeth and exhale through nose. Keep your both the hands on your kidneys backside so that the lungs can be broadened, chest can be broadened. Okay. Now inhale through teeth. Again. Again. Relax. Now we are going to do Ujjayi Pranayama. It's for creating vibration on entire part of our body. Now right hand on your throat and left hand on your navel and make the sound. Okay. Start. Take deep breath first. Feel that vibration in your entire body. Again. Again. Yes, relax. Now Brahmari. Brahmari is equivalent to honey, honeycomb. And how the honey is making sound. Close all your 9 holes and take deep breath and make the sound boom. Ears closed. Take deep breath. Those who attended my how to increase your energy vibration, this is that equivalent to that vibration. See. Again. Yes. Pranayam means pranaka ayam, breathing exercise. And here we are doing that pranako, that we understand with full awareness. We are inhaling and exhaling, and we are controlling, we are holding, breathing, breathe inside, outside, and all. And we are trying to reach that breathe, send that breathing into each and every cell of your body, so that the oxygen can reach everywhere, and that that life force energy can reach out to each and every cell of your body. That is the ultimate result of, ultimate intention of pranayama. Okay, now this pranayama got different variations, but I am taking here the the most simple ways, the simplest ways I am taking that, so that everyone can do this daily. Now, Bhastrika Pranayam is for our stomach, internal, all the internal organs. Like exhale and inhale with the movement of stomach like this. When you breathe out and breathe in, stomach should move forcefully. Start with 5-6 times. I'm doing this first 16 times, then 24 times, then 36 times. After each cycle, we will take deep breath, and we need to lock the chin from here to here, and keeping the keeping the breath inside. Let me show you. I'm going for 16 times now. Now, take deep breath. Yes, relax. Now, 24 times. Relax. Now, 36 times. You will be tired after doing this. Now, inhale and exhale through left nostril 3 times, and exhale and inhale and exhale through right nostril. Now, starting with left nostril. See this position for toggling like close left, close right, close left, close right, close. You can use this. Now, close your right and inhale and exhale through left nostril, and go for slow but deep breath. Let the lungs be filled slowly. Now close left. Now inhale through left and exhale through right. 3 times. Okay. Now wow. Now we are going for Purna Pranayama. First, we did the Nadi Shodhan, then Nadi Bandhan. Now we are going Purna Pranayama. Purna Pranayama, it is a count of, it is a count of Om. By counting 8, we need to inhale, keep it inside for 8 counts, then exhale at the count of 8 and hold it outside at the count of 8. Again inhale 8, keep it inside 8, exhale 8 and keep it outside 8. So this inhaling, holding, exhaling, holding, inhaling, holding, exhaling, holding. This is the rhythm of Purna Pranayama. Got it? Go slowly and count 8. You can chant Om inside, and take deep breath. Deep breath and sense slow deep breath. How you can go for the slowest, this one, the slowest and deepest breathing. That will be the most beneficial part of this Purna Pranayama. Start. We will count 8. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Right. Start. Hold your breath. See. Closing your right nostril. Now start inhaling. This is one cycle of Purna Pranayama. Inhaling left through the left, hold it inside. Exhaling through right, holding inside, outside, and inhaling through right, holding inside, exhaling through left, holding inside. This is one full cycle of Purna Pranayama. Let us do and enjoy that flow of oxygen and be aware what we are doing. Okay. Start. Relax. Whatever you do in life, no, not only in pranayam, whatever you do, enjoy the process. Now, take deep breath, close all the holes. Close all the holes means, I mean all the 9 holes, and go for that, listen to that silence inside. When you are deep into that silence, you will start receiving intuitions, guidance for your life. Now, we are saluting the Purushartham, Dharmam, Artham, Kamam, Moksham. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. We are saluting them. Om Dharmaya Namaha. Om Arthaya Namaha. Om Kamaya Namaha. Om Mokshaya Namaha. Oh God, take control of my physical desires. Oh God, take control of my anger. Oh God, take control of my greediness. Oh God, take control of my desires. Oh God, take control of my ego. Oh God, take control of my jealousy. Oh God, take control of my all distracting influence. And we are saluting all the planets. Om Brahmaya Namah. Om Suryaya Namah. Om Chandraya Namah. Om Prithve Namah. Om Mangalaya Namah. Om Budhaye Namah. Om Gurave Namah. Om Shukraya Namah. Om Shaniye Namah. Om Rahu Ketuvaya Namah. Now we go for, we will worship both all the four directions. Starting, imagine you have flower in your hand. You will offer flower to each direction. Starting from in front of you. See this. Now we'll go for one cycle of Purna Pranayama. Now relax. Now we are surrendering, submitting our senses. The center of my sound, my hands, my feet, my urine, stool organs, that sense of touch, sense of taste, sense of knowledge, sense of sight, sense of hearing, my mind, my consciousness, my ego. I submit all this to you, my Lord. Now we are receiving energy from the universe. You can imagine you are standing in front of, sitting in front of this Kailasa, or from the entire universe. You are there as a part of the universe and receive that energy, receive that life force energy, receive that power, receive that blessings, receive that divine light. Now, like imagine you are sitting in front of, if you are in front of any God, you can imagine you are sitting in front of your God. Otherwise, you are sitting in front of, in the universe. And salute the universe first. If you are Shiv Bhakta, you can chant that mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, or any of the mantra 3 times. Now imagine that divine light, divine energy, the universal power, the life force energy. You are receiving on your both the palms. Both the hands are filled with that energy right now. Imagine the flow of energy from all the way from the universe. It is entering to your hands, both the hands. Feel that energy, feel that power. You can do like this. Feel that energy between your hands. Do like this. And feel that energy, feel that power. Feel that power between your palms. Slowly, slowly, slowly you try. You can feel that power, feel that energy. Go slowly and feel that energy. Feel that repulsive power. Wow, it is awesome. Feel that energy in your hand. Again, receive that energy. Be filled with that energy. Be happy about that energy. Receive that energy in your hands with full receptiveness, full allowance. Remove all the doubts from inside you. The Creator has all the power. And the same Creator is there inside you. Receive that energy. Now slowly, you are going to apply that energy on each and every part of your body, starting from your fingers on your feet. Okay, that energy is in your hands. You can imagine it as a light. It's a warm, or it is any sort of sensation, strong sensation. Now apply it on your feet, starting from your feet fingers. Apply it. Just like we are applying any ointment or steam. Feel that flow of energy from your hands to you have received that energy from the universe and passing it on your each and every part of your body. It is as simple as that. Don't make it complex. Be simple. You are receiving energy and applying it each and every part of your body. Now, upside of your feet, and keep hand like this. Imagine the flow of energy. And downside of your feet, feel that all the tiredness, all the toxins, whatever is there accumulated in our body parts, it is getting removed, and there comes the energy. There feels the energy. Feel that lightness, feel that light, feel that power. Everywhere you are applying that energy right now. Now go to ankles, both the feet ankles. Now go to calf muscles. When you are taking hands, take one and place it on the other body part. Then raise the second hand. Both the hands don't raise together, because there is a cycle of energy. Now both the hands on your left and right legs, calf muscles. Calf muscles are called second heart. Oh, Gravitational force helps blood to flow downward, and this calf muscles are helping us to pump the blood upwards. So walking and taking care of this calf muscles are more important. Now, one sec. Yeah, now I have received a courier, that's why. Now, on your thighs, from knees to thighs, thigh joints, now from thighs to thigh joints, now abdomen, feel that flow of energy. When you place the hands, both of the hands, energy flows to that body part where you're keeping your hand, and all those negative energy, all those stagnant energy in that body part is getting removed, and there gets the new energy, fresh energy. Feel that. Now go to navel. Heart. Throat. Go for shoulders. Shoulders you can keep like, don't cross the hands, like feel that warmth, you should feel that flow of energy. Now both the hands, feel that energy. Now your chin, your face, nose, and hold your hands and focus on your right third eye, middle of your eyebrows. Here. Now we are going for main chakras. Rub your hand like this. Sahasrara chakra, crown. Now back side of your head, you can keep like this. And on the tip of the spine is your root chakra. Okay, and you can sit, you can keep your hands like this, and you can sit on your hands. That is root chakra. For root chakra, you can sit on your hands, tip of the spine. That is root chakra. We get energized. And from there, you keep your hands on your buttocks. Now, back side of your chest, you can keep like this. Back side of your stomach. On both the kidneys on back side. And right side of your stomach. You can keep both the hands like this. Here comes all the internal organs. Liver, stomach, intestine. Right side of your chest. Most important parts nowadays, lungs. Left side of your chest. Left side of your stomach. Here comes the pancreas and all. Those who are diabetes and all, do this exercise regularly. Now, left hand on your navel, right hand on your heart chakra. Now, here what happened? We received that energy from the universe, and that energy we passed on to each and every body part. Starting from our feet, we slowly came up and gave energy to each and every part. Then we gave energy to all the chakras. Total 96 main primary energy points are there in our body. We activated all those points. And main energy centers are 7 chakras. We gave energy to all those chakras also. Now we are slowly becoming aware about that energy in each and every cell of our body, and then we are balancing that energy. Feel that balance of energy. Take your hands like this, little away from your heart and navel. Feel that energy. Feel that energy in your body. And slowly bring both of your hands together. Slowly bring both of your hands together and hold your hands like this. And create a fire with your hands and place it on your eyes. Feel that relaxation, feel that power, feel that energy inside. Now we are winding up with a chanting of Om Shanti, 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 then Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Start. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Thank you for joining me and have a wonderful day. Practice it daily so that you can have a most beautiful days ahead. Thank you. Thank you.